I'm at HPS Equipment in Roseburg today, and they're an amazing business. They do industrial electrical repair and service, and they buy and sell machine tools. And Harry Cook called me to tell me that there might be a dust collection system for my wood shop. So I'm here to check it out, and I hope you enjoy a short tour of HPS Equipment. It's quite the place. Oh man, look at that. This is the sanctum sanctorum right here. So somewhere back here is a dust collection machine. I hope I can find it. They say it's on the right. Wow. This makes me vastly discontented with some of my stuff. You found it over there, boys? We have a sighting. Well, it's a beauty. I think I would love to have this in my shop, so we've already made a deal. They've treated me right, and now we just have to figure out how to get this thing out of here. Well, it's in the shop. It's been here for a couple of weeks, and I've been thinking about how in the world am I going to figure out how to set this thing up? Because I know less than zero about dust collection. It's a jet, 2-horse. It's got a 5-inch, you know, from the coming out of the blower into the cyclone, it's got a 5-inch pipe. I assume we're going to drop right into the end right there. But I'm looking for sort of, you know, good advice. I've got 2 table saws I'm going to be picking up. I'm going to put a big jointer in here. I may get a better planer. I don't know about that. Probably a bandsaw. And I want to get the dust collected, you know, well enough that I can do my work in here and not just be bogged down. So I'm going to bring a little bit of electricity in here to run the 3-phase for the big new saw. I'm going to have a sub panel back here and put the outlets where I need it. I've got flexibility on that. So if you would do me a favor, and either in the comments or in the email on our website, let me know what you think. You've given me good advice about the shop air system, and I'm looking for some inside scoop on what to do with this thing now that I've got it. Thank you for watching Essential Craftsman, and keep up the good work.